Hello, my name is Ibifuro Olayomi. I'm the Employee Relations Manager in Total Energies EMP Nigeria. And we are very interested in the development of women. And we want to make sure that women are well represented across board in all our operations.
My name is Edwina Kentebe-Oluwakayode. I work for Chevron Nigeria Limited, and I'm the General Manager, Nigerian Content Ventures and Regulatory Affairs.
Hello, my name is Ima Chima, and I am Director West and Central Africa for Evidence Action.
Women in Leadership is an executive course, encourages all women to have an executive coach to look at their areas of their strengths and their weaknesses and what holds them back from taking positions of leadership.
Have been within leadership in the international non-profit sector for some years now. And one of the things I realized is that as you go higher up, there are fewer women. And I also have a lot of women that work under me, which I have to mentor. And because of that, I figured out that I probably do need some more additional tools.
Women are encouraged to self-actualize and to develop themselves in leadership capacities. And so I decided to enroll in the Women in Leadership course right here in the Lagos Business School.
So I wanted to harness my leadership skills, get tips from other women leaders on what they're doing to, increase the visibility of women in leadership.
You get to share experiences with colleagues who may or may not be at the same level with you, but you learn specific examples or situations about how they have become leaders or challenges that they have faced and how they were able to address that.
It afforded me the opportunity to also share my experiences, being 30 years in the upstream oil and gas business. And also, we had very good speakers, facilitators, who gave us some fantastic tips on being your authentic self, on how we need to mentor and help each other, because it is obvious, all over the world, women in leadership makes the minority.
So I like the very hands-on practical nature of the training here. You can ask questions even after the program. You are given contacts of the instructors. They're actually quite open to having you reach out to them at the end of the program. The added advantage of a community to support you beyond just the training that you receive.
So when I get back, I'm going to ensure that I make a deliberate step to mentor women, and I have to make that step of also joining more women networks, because we need more women in that space.
I would strongly recommend that the women leaders in my team as well come and participate.
From all that I have gathered here today, I hope to be able to apply many of these principles and move forward in my career. And I encourage all women in all walks of life, if you are able, to undertake this course as part of your own personal development. Thank you.